everyone, I'm Shannon, and in this video we are going to use scrap paper and a bag with no tissue paper but a clip to do our gift today. So what we're going to start with is this one has cute little faces on it, and so I want to kind of line up the one I want in front of my gift. And then I'll make sure that it's where I want it. Yeah, that's good. And then we'll go ahead and fold over the top. Put a piece of tape right in the middle of our seam. And then this one we're going to fold over to make a triangle. Now we have that. And we will just fold that over and secure it with a piece of tape. And we'll do the same on the other side where we fold in the corners. And then we will pull the paper up to the back side. You always want to make sure that your seams are on the back side of the paper. And we're going to make it so that it goes cute in the bag. And so I have just a little bow that I will put on here. And again, with the bows, when you take off your backing, sometimes it can be a little difficult. Okay, we have our... We'll go ahead and get our bag. Now this bag does have a seam, so I'm going to go ahead and put the seam on the back of the bag. And I'm going to take the present and I'm going to put it in with the bow on the top so that it slides right in the bag. And I'll take pictures so you can see. So when you open the bag, you will see the little snowman in the bow. And then with this one, instead of tissue paper, we're going to secure it with a clip. And this particular clip that we have today is a little bug. And so there, your bag is sealed, and then when they open it, they will see their little present inside, and you don't need tissue paper. And what I do like with the clips is, say you have a card, you can always use the clip to clip your card on the front of the bag. Found this video helpful, please like so other people can find it, and subscribe if you would like more tips on gift wrapping. Thank you for watching.